In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay for Facebook ads in Nigeria Naira, alright, using bank transfer method. You can use any bank in Nigeria to pay, either your OPay, PalmPay, Money Prints, whatever bank you are using, First Bank, UBA, you can use it to pay for your Facebook ads, alright. How do you do that? Once you come to your ads manager, once you come to your ads manager, you click on these all tools and click on this ads manager. It's going to take you to your ads manager, right? Once you're in this place, take your mouse over your mouse here to the left hand side of your screen that shows billing and payment. Alright. Again, bring your mouse to this side of your screen where this ATM symbol is. Alright. This debit card symbol. Alright. Click on billing and payment. Now this here you now add the fund. Look at it, available fund 0 naira. Click on this add fund to add fund. Right. Click add fund. Right. Now you can now enter the amount you want to fund your account with. Let's say you want to fund with 5,000. You can type in the amount here. Right. All right. Then click on pay by bank transfer. Right. Then scroll down. Click on next. Always select pay with bank transfer. Right. That is the easiest way to fund your account. Now an account number is going to be generated for you to make your payment. To just wait for it to load. Go look at it. Now the account number will be generated. Look at it. Account number, click copy to copy the account number, and this is the account name. All right. And when you are making the payment in your bank app, search for this bank name, Paystack Titan. This is the name of the bank you are going to search. That place you normally search for bank name when you want to transfer money to someone. Search for Paystack Titan as the name of the bank, right? Then paste the account number there, and this is the name you are going to transfer the money to. Once you transfer the money to the account, it's going to reflect on your ads. It's going to reflect on your ads manager on this place. The money is going to show here. All right. So that's how you basically fund your ad account in Naira using Nigeria bank transfer method. Right. And when you are sending the money, make sure you always select this particular. Make sure you select the exact amount that is showing here. Right. That is the exact amount you're going to transfer. It should not be below. It should not be above. All right. So that is how you basically fund your ad account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this, right? Because every week I drop powerful videos that shows you how you can run profitable Facebook ads that bring consistencies, leads, and clients, and predictable growth to your business, right? So make sure you smash that like button now and you subscribe to this channel for more powerful videos like this, all right? Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.